Hello and welcome to another episode of What's Inside. Today we're looking at a Naruto Shippuden box set. This is a starter, and on the top it says Foretold Prophecy, Spiral of the Fury. So it's called the Spiral of the Fury Naruto deck on the back. It has 50 game cards, 1 game manual, 1 game mat, 1 turn marker. It's put out by Bandai in association with Shonen Jump. So let's see what we got in here, because I'm not real familiar with Naruto, so I'm not going to be much help on this, but it's very colorful. It's got that kid that has like cat whiskers and stuff on it sometimes. Alright. Let's get all our contents out here. Box looks pretty cool. I'll give them credit for that. There we go. Alright. We have our usual questionnaire sheet. There's our turn markers, which have shuriken on one side, and on the other side are our characters. And then we've got our playmat. So it's really cheaply made, not impressive at all, very poor quality. Will really get destroyed. Now, one thing this doesn't have that the other box that we looked at did was that had a fold-out sheet with the quick start rules. This one doesn't have that, but it does have a game manual. So it is the same game manual as far as I could tell. I don't know for sure, but looks like it. I'm not familiar with the TV show, so I don't really know anything about it, but it's interesting that this doesn't have the fold out quick rules that the other one did. So let's take a look at our deck here and see what we got. Alright, first card is the Priestess Who Seals the Evil. Then we have another Priestess Who Seals the Evil. Then we have a Three-Cornered Deadlock. Mission of Capturing the Missing Pet Tora. Mission of Capturing the Missing Pet Tora. Toad Sage. Toad Sage. Toad Sage. Reunion with the Former Teacher. Another reunion with the former teacher. Summoning Jutsu, something like that. Another summoning of Jutsu. Storm by Rasengan. Storm by Rasengan. Paper Bomb. Another Paper Bomb. Giant Rasengan, I don't know how to pronounce that. Another giant one. A third one of that card. Naruto, Uzumaki, and Sai. Jiraiya. Yeah, it looks like Inuyasha. Yomi. Another Yomi. A different one of Jiraiya. Jiraiya? There's another one of him. Giant Ninja Toad. Well, another giant Ninja Toad. Arashi Fuma. Sumaru. Another Sumaru. Shion Awakened. Shion Awakened. Shion Not Awakened. Konohamaru. Konohamaru. Ninja Dog Squad, all gathered. Ninja Dog Squad, all gathered. Gamma, another one of that guy. A third one. Naruto Uzumaki. Ninja Toad. Third Ninja Toad. Wow, lots of Ninja Toads. Rock Lee. Sai. Naruto Uzumaki, different picture from previously. And lastly, a gold foil of that same card, which is pretty cool. The foils are really nice. I'll give them credit for that. The art is obviously from the TV show. I don't know much beyond that. It looks like it's probably an okay starter. Most starters like these are usually pretty good. And Bandai does pretty good card games from what I've heard. This did have a pretty decent following for a little while. I guess the fat of it wore off. But yeah, this deck is from, I think, 2007. Yeah, 2007. Shippuden Naruto. This is the Spiral of the Fury deck. And that's what's in the package, as far as I could tell. I didn't seem to miss anything. So that'll do it for this episode. As always, thank you for watching, and we hope to see you next time on What's Inside.